Hello, techies. In this, I am going to demonstrate abstract class and interface. Okay, the main real-time example is related to the online shopping. How I am going to write program? Please once look into this. First, as usual, I am going to create one package. What is the meaning of abstract class? Whatever you are writing, the logic that means is completely hidden to the user. Abstract is itself hiding implementation details to the user. And here my abstract class is product. And I'm declaring all the variables with the access specifier and permission data tag. And what is your class name? Product. The same thing you have to use as a constructor by passing the number of arguments. Here name and price are the two arguments. And to point out the particular object, you are using this keyword. And here you are writing the abstract method. Abstract method don't have any body, and just define it, leave it. And next apply getter and setter method. The main purpose of getter method is used to return the name. Here what you are getting, your name and the price should be returned to you. Similarly for setter, what you have to do, you have to change the object value, and you have to use this keyword to point out the particular object. Next, for the name and price should be applied same. And now define the interface. Interface consists of the only functionality of the method. Okay, and here implementation is not there, and just you define and leave it. And here add item, remove item should be there. And product is nothing but abstract class. Okay, and next define some method. Now you take non-abstract class, that is electronics extends. When you are going to apply extends inheritance, and here product, and as your interface is nothing but card, and you need to apply the implements. Always remember this point. Whenever you are acquiring the properties parent to child, use inheritance, that is extends. Whenever you want to invoke the interface, that means whenever you want to access the interface properties, then you need to use implements. And just declare all the variable like quantity, that is private access specifier. And please apply parameters constructor name price quantity. And I already told in the previous lecture videos, the main purpose of super keyword is used to immediately access the parent instance variable, and name and price will be returned to you. Only quantity is the point out the particular object. And you need to define the method display. Finally, name, price, quantity will be printed on the screen. Here also add item, remove item. That is, it don't have any body because it is related to the interface. And it coming to the main method. What is the class electronics, non-abstract class? Phone and laptop are the objects. And you need to invoke parameters constructor by giving the values. What you have to give values? Name, price, and quantity. Name, price, quantity. Okay. And phone, based on the object, you need to invoke the method called display. Next, similarly, add item. Okay. Finally, you need to invoke the method that is display cart. So this is the way you have to apply the interface abstract class, abstract method for online shopping. So let us run this program once. You will get all the name, price, quantity to you. Okay. So like this way, you have to implement it. Always remember this point. Each and every implementation is hidden to the user. Okay. And it is related to the online shopping. Just I'm writing for your understanding. So like online shopping. Okay. I hope you understand this. Please go through each and everything. This is very important in the real time scenario. And thank you for watching. Then whoever didn't subscribe, please subscribe and inform others to subscribe. Please view my interview.